Hi friends, in this particular video I will give you a brief idea about how to add and similarly how to subtract two 8-bit numbers, and also see how to observe the carry results as well as borrow results with the help of program. Let us see. Okay, in the initial starting of the assembly language program introduction, I explained software's requirement, and in that also I covered one 8-bit addition, but in that I am not focusing carry at that level. Now let us see here. Now we can observe the carry result, even borrow results also after performing addition as well as subtraction. Let us see. So let us see here the assembly language programming of 8086. In that, what is my aim? I need to write an assembly language program to add or to subtract two 8-bit numbers starts from 3000 H location. So starts from 3000 H location. I need to take two 8-bit numbers. Then I need to add. Okay. Then we get result. That result will be stored in the some other location. Let us see how to write the program. So in the 3000 location, for example, I am selecting one 8-bit number as ABH. So next location 3001H, I am selecting another 8-bit number as CDH. Okay. So then what is the next step? Now we need to see the results. For that I am using subsequent locations like 3002 and 3003. See, let us see how to add. So in calculator also we can see after adding ABH with the CDH what is the results. That also I will show you here. So see here, simply you open calculator in your computer. Okay. So in computer we have many features like standard, scientific and programmer. Let us select programmer once, then select hexa. Okay. In that hexa you give your numbers. For example, what is my aim? I need to add AB with CD. AB, select AB, then select CD. Equal. What is my result? 178. So generally the result should be start from lower to higher. So see here in this 178, 78 is the lower byte result, and one left side if you want, you can write 0. So 78 is the lower byte result, 01 is the higher byte result, 01 is the higher byte result. Let us see where we get these results. Now let us see program once. See here 78H is the lower byte result and 01H is the higher byte result. If you get these two values, we can say that our program is executing successfully. Now let us see how to write the program. Okay, in Masum software. So minimize this one. So what is first step for selecting the program? You should open DOSBox command. So double click DOSBox command. Okay. If not, you can maximize with the help of Alt Enter. Okay. Then what is first step? Mount. Mount. Later it will come mount drive. What is drive name? D space D colon slash. Then D colon 1 colon. Then CD space 8086. Edit. Okay. So we get screen like this. Here you type your program. What is first step? Assume CS first code segment. This is essential code segment. Then assume CS colon code. Then start. Then these three are essential for writing any program like headers. What is next step? Exclusive or operation of AX comma AX. So in this particular program, we need AL register for selecting one 8-bit number. Similarly, we need AH register for seeing the carry result, and we need a BL also for selecting another 8-bit number. For that, clear BL also. So move BL comma AL. So with the help of exclusive or operation, what happens? AX is cleared, nothing but indirectly AL and AH are cleared. Then that AL data is now sent to BL. So BL is also cleared. So here AH is cleared. So then what is next step? First we should select one location. So move SI comma 3000H. Now we are selecting. So then move AL comma box of SI. So AL takes data from 3000 locations. So 1 byte is selecting. So in our example, AL receiving ABH value from 3000 locations. Then what is next step? I need to select another location. For that, increment SI. So now what is SI? 3001. So in 3001, I need to select another 8-bit number. That's the increment SI. Move BL comma box of SI. So BL takes data from 3001. So AL takes data from 3000 and BL takes data from 3001. In our theoretical example, in 3001 location, we need to give CD value. Then what is the next step? Simply add. So if it is addition operation, add space AL comma BL. If it is subtraction operation, same program, instead of add, you should modify with subtract, SUB. So replace this add by subtract, we get subtraction. Okay, result. So now add AL comma BL. So AL data is add with BL. So in that addition, it's an arithmetic operation. There is a chance of getting carries depending on the selection of inputs. So we should check whether carries are occurred or not. But before carry, lower byte result is stored in AL and higher byte result contains carry. First, let us print lower byte. For that, after this instruction, increment SA. What is SA? Originally 3000. Okay. After making AL instruction, then we are incrementing SA. What is SA now? 3001 here. Then we are selecting data from 3000 with help of BL. Now incrementing SA. What is SA now here? 3002. So 3002 is now SA for result. So then simply move box of SI comma AL. So then AL sending its lower byte result into SI. Like that we print lower byte only. Later we need to check carry. For that I am writing this instruction jump carry. So during this operation, if any carry occurred, then this condition will check jump carry. So if carry occurred, then jump carry. So your instruction will jump to some location L1. Okay, if it is true, then only it will jump to L1 location. Assume carry is not occurred. I am taking example in such a way that carry is not occurred. In that case, what happens? It will go to next line. In that case, I am writing again increment SI. Why I am again incrementing SI? Because for carry result also I need one location. So increment SI, move box of SI comma AH, because already in this particular case, what is AH after clearing 00? Then 00 data will move to 3003 location. Okay, if there is no carry. Okay, so then int 3, nothing but end of the program when there is no carry. So when there is no carry, these three instructions are executing. Assume if there is a carry. So in this ALU operation, assume if there is a carry. Then what happens? It will go to L1. L1. In that I am writing increment AH. Similarly, increment SI. Increment SI. What is SI now? 3003 only, because either this set or this set. Only one set is executing. Okay, because depending on the condition. Okay, so whenever if it is true, it will go here. If it is not true, it will go here and stop the program. After this int 3, it will stop. It won't go to these lines. So depending on the selection of result, it will occur accordingly. So increment SI. So after incrementing AH, what is AH value? Initially here 00. After increment AH, what is AH value? 01. Then 01 will move to 3003 location. So move box of SI comma sending 01 value to 3003. So either here depending on the condition, either these three instructions are executing or last three instructions are these three instructions are executing depending on the condition. If it is true, last three. If it is false, these three are executing. At that time, these three are skipped. Then int 3. End of the program. Like that, 2 int 3 is here. Either this set or this set. Only one is executing. Okay. Then at the end, code ends. End start essential. Code ends. Then end start. Okay. If it is subtraction, simply modify add by subtract. Rest of the program is same. Okay. Then save. How to save? File. Save. Assume it's a 8-bit. Dot ASM, 8-bit program dot ASM. Okay, already same name is existing, just replace with this particular file. Okay, so 8-bit dot ASM is our program. Filing saving is over, then exit. Then type MASM 8-bit dot ASM. 4 times enter. 1, 2, 3, 4. So no errors. Then link dot obj, 8-bit dot obj, 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay, then debug. File name 8-bit dot exe, enter. Then G 4 zeros. Okay, so running is over. What is first step? First we should select first 8-bit number in 3000 location. Here I am selecting as per a theoretical example AB. Here also AB. Next 3001 I need to give CD. So again tap, we get next location. In that you type CD. If I write CD, 06 will gone, CD will appear. Okay, then enter. So after modification, then again run the program. G equal to 4 zeros. Here I need to see the results. D space 3001 contains 2 input numbers and 3002 contains lower byte result and 3003 contains higher byte result. Nothing but carry result. Definitely, what is the answer? Lower byte is 78 and 3003 location is 01. In theoretical example also we get same value. Like that we can execute or we can add or subtract two 8-bit numbers, and we can see even carry result also. Okay. To exit, quit, then exit. So like this we can add 8-bit or subtract 8-bit numbers, starts from any of the location. Okay, and we can observe carry result also. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you really like, please kindly share my video to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.